Hey there everyone, James Hilliard back with Connection, and I'm here to unbox the new HP Neverstop laser printer. Now the promise from Hewlett-Packard is it's mess-free, easy to use, cost-effective, and it's good for the home, the small business, or the corporate office. Let's get into it. And as you can see, that is how the Neverstop arrived at my front door. Easy for me to carry on inside. I think it would be easy to move around any office location or your home office. When I got into the box, we got the extension cord. We had covers for the paper tray, USB, the instruction manual. I utilized that to get through a few items here. Had my assistant Aiden come on over. It was tightly packed in that box, so he was able to hold that down for me so I could lift that up. You might need a partner if you're unloading it at your location. Was able to simply discard the styrofoam, one plastic sleeve that was around the device, those orange strips, just tape holding in some of the moving parts. As I got my hands on this printer, very solid. It felt like a very capable machine. Nothing was flimsy about it. Didn't feel like a home consumer good. It felt very professional, very intuitive getting around. There you see where you would refill that toner when you need. I did use the mobile app. Took me about 5 minutes to get that app and then connected to the network, and then I was off and printing as I did a couple of test scans and print. Everything very quick on the top, very intuitive control panel. All in all, a great first impression. So the HP Neverstop does come in two versions. There is the print-only version or the 3-in-1. So that comes with a glass flat top copier, printer, and scanner. You can also have wired or wireless connectivity. It also connects with the HP Smart app. If you'd like to learn more about the Neverstop, then visit connection.com/HP.